Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and welcome back to another episode of Cake Talk TV, the place to be to learn how to grow a profitable and successful cake business that you love. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe down below, hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you also hit the bell notification so you never miss another episode of Cake Talk TV. I'm happy to have you here. I've learned how to grow a cake business for a while. I've been helping cake designers grow a profitable and successful cake business, charging premium rates for years, and I'm happy that you are here with me at this episode of Cake Talk TV to really learn how to grow your cake business. And for today's episode, I want to talk about an amazing concept that is going to truly transform your cake business if you actually apply this step in your cake business. It's done wonders for me in a matter of weeks. I implemented this process and it really quickly shifted my reality. So I was actually being and experiencing the type of cake business that I wanted. And that is to act like the cake designer, the book solid cake designer you want to become. Now, I know what it really feels like to have a cake business. You want to grow your cake business, grow your clientele, fill your calendar, but the cake orders aren't there. Or the customers are there, but they don't want to pay the prices that you want to charge. Or they don't want to actually book the wedding cakes or the celebration cakes, the cakes that you want to design. And it's extremely frustrating, and you start to really go in this cycle of thinking, when is this going to change? My cake business is always going to be like this. How can I make more money? How can I grow my cake business? And one thing that I learned pretty early in my cake business, thankfully, is you need to act like the person you want to become in your cake business. And what do I mean by this? There is a version of you right now that exists. This goes into the law of attraction practices and everything. But there is a version of you that has the type of cake business that you really want to have, to where you are booked up. You have a booked solid wedding cake season. You are charging the rates that you want to charge. You are making the cakes that you want to design. That is available to you right now in your cake business. But there's you're right here, and then that version of you is right here. You need to actually fill this space to get to here by acting like the person you need to become in your cake business. Now, you want to think, or what I was thinking growing my cake business, how can I actually do that? How can I act like the cake business owner that has a book solid cake calendar when I'm barely booking any orders? So I started to put my thinking cap on. How can I increase my marketing so I am actually getting out there and booking more wedding cakes and expanding my presence? Getting out there, word of mouth, networking, marketing, paid advertising. What can I do to really increase my presence for my cake business? What type of cake designer am I really being right now? I would start to really take a hard look at my cake designs, and I started to think my cake designs aren't that special. I'm not that awesome as I think that I am. I have room for improvement to become a better cake designer. How am I actually approaching my cake business? Am I waiting till the last minute to work on all of my cake orders? Am I being cheap with the ingredients that I'm actually purchasing for my cakes? Am I really buying and really making smart purchases, or am I randomly spending my money on cute cupcake liners or sprinkles or some random cookie cutter that I'm not going to use, and just throwing my money away, versus being an empowered business owner that carefully makes decisions and purchases that benefit my cake business? Am I actually taking classes to learn how to become a better business owner to grow my business and cake designer? Or am I really thinking that I can really just do this on my own and just really hope that I make riches by being the same type of person? You need to actually take a list and think about the person you want to become and the habits and the actions that cake designer actually does right now. And then you need to actually do what's on that list and make a commitment that you're going to be the type of cake designer that has a book solid business. Another amazing strategy that I want you to add to your list is if you don't have the cake orders right now in your business, you need to start to pretend that those cake orders are in your business right now and start to work on more portfolio. I call them portfolio cakes. They're dummy cakes, cakes for the internet, so you can really showcase more work for your clientele. But start to really have more cakes that you're working on and practicing on a weekly basis, because that will really get you into the feeling of working on more cakes on a weekly basis. Because you want to think about it. When you have a book solid cake business, you're really going to be swamped. You're going to be busy, and you're really going to have a lot going on that you need to manage. And it's not just going to pop up overnight. You gradually get to that place. And what better way is to practice right now on cakes to really feel that you're busy. It's not going to happen, just come out of nowhere to where you're just like, boom, busy, to where you had one cake and then 5 cakes in one weekend. You actually have to practice getting there. And if you don't have the cake orders, then you need to actually produce the work. So then you are showcasing that you are booking more orders. You have a lot of cake designs so clients can pick from, but really just grows your confidence and shows the universe that you are taking your business seriously and you are acting like the person you want to become. Now, I want you to comment down below what's going to be one thing that you're going to actually do in your cake business today to act like the business owner that you want to become. Comment down below. I love seeing all of your comments, and I love responding and really just learning where you guys are at. Now, if you are looking to actually grow your cake business and really just have more success, book more cake orders, I have an amazing free guide, 4 strategies to increase your cake orders down below. It's a free resource, and it's going to be inside the Cake and Success Business Library down below. Grab that guide because it's really going to show you my best booking strategies to learn how to increase your cake orders and attract high-end clients to your cake business. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you have a video topic that you would love for me to do an episode of Cake Talk TV, put that down below as well so I can film an episode just for you. I hope you enjoy this episode, and I will see you back in another episode of Cake Talk TV. Bye.